Hello everyone, this is Mark from MrHurricaneTracker.com. We're currently watching Storm 97L. We're bringing you up-to-date information from the National Hurricane Center. As of this morning, we see that there is a decrease in showers and thunderstorms in the storm system. Early morning satellite images indicate that the shower activity around the area has dissipated. However, the tropical wave is still moving across the Hispaniola area and has become less organized right now, but is still got a chance of 60% of developing into a tropical depression. And the reason why this storm system is decreasing in size is because it is moving over the islands and is breaking up as it moves through. Now, I'm going to zoom on into the storm and show you the chances of rain that has dissipated since last night. Last night, the chances of rain were a lot higher, and it had better organization. Right now, the organization of the storm has dissipated a little bit. Now, the movement of the storm is going to be west-northwest as it continues to move on through, and could have a chance to get back into open water. Once it does, the path of the storm and the models indicate that the path of the storm is going to be moving towards Florida. So we're going to continue to watch the storm system as it does move on through and hopefully will dissipate once it does that. But according to the National Hurricane Center, the storm has got a good chance of 60% of becoming a tropical depression within the next couple of days. So we'll see if it moves off water or if it stays on land and heads in the Gulf of Mexico, or does its move into Florida. So we're going to continue to watch that. Now, the Air Force reconnaissance mission has been canceled until tomorrow to see exactly what the storm system will do, and if there is any more development, I'll bring you that information as well. Now, the environmental conditions are still favorable again for the storm to become a tropical depression. Now, it's going to be moving away about 10 miles an hour from the Hispaniola area, and that is a little slow, so that does give it a chance to redevelop and become a tropical depression. And this is going to be moving away on Thursday, and it's going to be heading into the Bahamas and will affect that area with large amounts of rain still and thunderstorms as well. So we're going to continue to watch that as it moves on through and brings those locally heavy rains and also gusty winds. This will continue to affect the areas as well as the Virgin Islands, Puerto Rico, and Hispaniola today, like I said, and will continue to move out over into the Turks and the Cayos Islands, and also the Bahamas in the next couple of days. So we're going to continue to watch this as it could bring life-threatening flash floods to the areas, mudslides in the mountain areas, and we'll continue to keep you posted. If you're anywhere near those areas and you'd like to post comments, maybe a video, let me know what's going on in the area. I would appreciate that. And we thank you very much for watching, and also I want to thank everyone for subscribing to our channel. Mr. Hurricane Tracker has received quite a few subscribers, so I do want to thank everyone for that. Please don't forget to check out MrHurricaneTracker.com and click on live tracking. You'll see also good images, radar images, and there are live images of the storm systems that are happening at this time. Also, I want to take a look at the Gulf of Mexico nearby Texas. There is a little wave, or tropical low I should say, that is developing in that area and is moving into the Texas area, which might affect us here in the Texas area in a couple of days. We're going to continue to watch that as well as we continue to watch cloud cover up here off the South African coast that is moving off that area, and we're going to continue to see what that does and if there is any chance of development with that storm. So we're going to continue to watch Storm 97L as it does bring a good chance of becoming a tropical depression in the next couple of days. Again, I'll bring you the up-to-date information from the National Hurricane Center. So please stay tuned here to Mr. Hurricane Tracker on YouTube and rate, subscribe, and comment. And thank you very much for watching, and have a great day.